In my quest to showcase my beautiful country, Kenya, nature just decided to reward me with these amazing views. And who am I not to share with you guys? So, people, what you're viewing here is a beautiful after sunset, whereby we have an effect in the atmosphere that we get a twin sun, quote unquote. And it's just amazing how nature just shows off and also reveals the glory of the one who created it. Guys, if you can see from the right, it sort of resembles the blood moon. This was such an amazing view to behold. My God, we couldn't get over it. And I was with my girls. I wish you could hear their reaction. In case you're wondering where this beautiful place is, this is Kenya, Africa, and the road we have taken from the city is the Mai Mahiu Narok Road. However, we didn't go through Mai Mahiu, we went through Ngong, Suswa, and then right now we are headed towards Narok Town. Narok is Kenya's county number 033, and it is known mostly as the host for the Masai Mara National Reserve. Masai Mara National Reserve is very famous also for the wildebeest migration and connects to Tanzania through the Serengeti. Guys, if you've not been to Kenya, I don't know where you're touring in Africa. This is where you'll also find the Big Five. And the beauty about this county is also that it's a major agricultural hub. There, people practice a lot of large-scale farming, especially on maize, potatoes, wheat, and many other food produce.
you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh. I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give.